Amy Maneely here with Team Maneely for HomeSmart Fine Homes and Land, and I wanted to do a quick segment today because it's so beautiful here in sunny Prescott, Arizona, on how to up your curb appeal. So we're going to show you a couple different examples of how you can do that with your landscaping to create a warm, welcoming exterior of your home and get top dollar. So we are here today at our personal home and residence in downtown Prescott, Arizona, and we don't have a ton of room for a huge garden, but we do have some room to add some flowers to the front of our landscaping. So one of the things I suggest to people is creating different heights of plants. So if you look on the label for a plant, it'll tell you the projected height of that plant. I also recommend planting those plants towards the back portion of your landscaping. So your taller plants will be in the back and your smaller plants will be towards the front. It's also really nice to group things close together because they make a really good impact on your space. One of my favorite other tricks is to select a color scheme. So stick with a few colors and do a lot of them. This year we did a lot of pinks, purples, and some whites thrown in. Another great tip for your landscaping is to also include different types of greens, shades of green, and flowers that will change throughout the season. So in the fall you may get more reds and purples, and in the summertime you'll have more of your traditional blooms. My last tip for you is to always check the clearance section at stores. Yesterday I went to Lowe's here in Prescott and I was able to get geraniums that were originally $5 per plant for $1 per plant. So I was able to get 10 different geranium plants at a massive, massive discount. And if you'll notice, the biggest problem with these geraniums is there's no current blooms on them. So all you have to do is go in, deadhead the geranium, and in a couple weeks you'll have brand new blooms. And if you're willing to be patient and wait for the new blooms to come, you're going to snag an amazing deal. Also, with that in mind, you may not get exactly the flower that you were looking for. If you allow yourself some flexibility and some creativity when searching into the clearance section at Lowe's, you'll be able to find some great flowers. So I was able to get 10 geraniums, 10 petunias, and 3 lantanas, all at $1 a piece, which saved me a ton of money.